Imagine trying to solve a complex puzzle, but some of the pieces are missing or don't fit just right. That's what business decisions feel like without reliable data. For businesses in the Philippines, collecting and managing the right data isn't just smart, it's essential for survival and growth. Let's start with the basics. Effective data collection begins by asking the right questions. What information does your business truly need? In the Philippines, this might mean gathering details on consumer preferences influenced by unique local cultures, seasonal trends, or even the effect of typhoons on supply chains. Data collection methods vary. Philippine businesses often combine digital surveys, face-to-face interviews, and social media listening. For example, local retailers may use mobile apps to track inventory and sales in real time, while social enterprises might conduct community surveys to understand shifting livelihoods. But collecting data is just the start. Managing it properly is where the real power lies. In the Philippine setting, managing data means checking for accuracy despite spotty internet, securing sensitive customer information, and organizing data in systems that anyone on the team can access, whether in bustling Metro Manila or a quiet provincial office. Ethics also matter. The Philippine Data Privacy Act guides businesses to handle information with care and respect. It's not only a legal requirement, but builds trust, showing customers their data is safe. Every successful Filipino business, from tech startups to traditional sari-sari stores, relies on one key lesson: turn numbers and names into insight. Invest in clean, organized, and secure data, and you unlock strategies that fit the unique Philippine market. So, whether you're managing numbers in a spreadsheet or building a data-driven startup, remember, mastering data collection and management isn't just a technical skill. It's the foundation for smarter decisions and better business in the Philippines.